Hello and welcome. In this video, I will provide a short introduction to the KIWI ExploreLive module. This is a new module introduced in KIWI 3, and it is intended for exploratory data analysis, in short EDA. Here, I will present the general concepts that drive the design and functionality of ExploreLive. I will give you a quick tour, and you'll be able to learn more about each piece of functionality of ExploreLive in separate videos. The main reason why we have introduced this module in KIWI was to provide a testing area where you can rapidly explore the content of a data file, potentially modify this content if required, and more importantly, create very informative displays in an interactive manner. These displays should hopefully help you in your modeling decision-making and also refine the design for more formal EDA displays that you could create in other KIWI modules. You will be able to open ExploreLive from the Knowledge portal. You will see a tile that will redirect you to ExploreLive. And you'll be also able to open ExploreLive from other KIWI modules, selecting a data file or run, and then clicking on the ExploreLive button, in this case in the Manage module. So here is how the ExploreLive module looks when you open the this module from the Knowledge portal. ExploreLive allows you to upload data files from your local drive. Alternatively, when you have opened ExploreLive from another KIWI module, the file that you have selected will be automatically imported and available in this data module. Pieces of functionality available in the data module include the ability to subset and modify the imported data. If you have imported multiple data sets, you can pull them together, and you can download those modified data sets. In the plot module, you can create a variety of different plot style, scatter plot, bar chart, distribution plot that include histograms and QQ plots, box plots, link plots which allow you to have cross interactivity between different plots, pairwise plot matrix. In the table module, you can create summary statistics of continuous and categorical variable that you can stratify. You can change the design of the table. You can also create a contingency table, which are tables showing the co-distribution of categorical variables. And in the analysis module, you have 3 items. One will allow you to run some linear regression. The second one is for data binning, so to determine intervals of your x-axis variable that will make sense for binning data, for example, for your VPC or for other types of summarization of data. There is a survival module that creates Kaplan-Meier curves out of survival data. All the plots, tables, and analysis that are created in the ExploreLive are actually run using R in the background. The application itself is rendered using the ecosystem of Shiny packages in R. There are obviously various functionality specific to each module, but there are several features that are shared across the different modules. So for example, here we've illustrated the functionality of stratification of the data using different symbols or different using paneling functionality. So this is available in most of the plots and tables. Data subset is also something that you will find in a lot of modules. Give you the ability to subset to only some portion of your data. Oh, mistyped here. Here I'm going to just get down to the dose equal 1. So this type of subsetting is available in all plots and tables. There are some functionality of interactivity that are more specific to each plot. So for example, in scatter plots, you can select a data point or drag and drop, well, mostly drag your mouse cursor and select a group of data points, and ExploreLive will give you information about these data points, and you can add variables if you need more information, for example, which ID, which time corresponded to these data points. One of the main characteristic of ExploreLive is that all the data set that you have imported, all the settings that you have entered in the various interface fields, all the plots that you've created, tables, only exist in the current web browser tab. They are not stored permanently in the KIWI database, and they will be lost if you close your browser tab. So again, the intent of the module is for you to play with your data, extract the information that you need, and prepare either your next move in your modeling approach, or define the settings that you're going to need for creation of EDA in another KIWI module. So although you will lose the plot, you have the ability to download most of the output created into KIWI, whether it's the data sets or the plots. You will have access to a download button.